There are a lot of different badges that you can get on Amazon Seller Center. Some of them are overall peak badges, some are bestseller badges, but overall people are a little confused about how you can actually get these badges on your product. These badges are both illustrious and elusive, and they can really boost your conversion rate on the platform. Now we are going to dig into how you can get your first Amazon badge. First of all, what are these badges? Alright. When you go to Amazon.com, you'll see a few different type of badges. For example, overall peak badge. This badge highlights features like rated 4+ stars, purchased often, and returned infrequently. But what exactly qualifies a product for it? That part is a little unclear. Now, bestseller badge. This appears in a specific category. For instance, if we look at chromium mineral supplements, one of the listings there has the bestseller badge. That means it's the #1 product in that particular subcategory. Now, how bestseller badge works? The bestseller badge is category dependent. It doesn't matter how many reviews you have. The only thing that matters is being ranked #1 in a specific subcategory. Take this example. The product that ranks #1 actually has fewer reviews and a higher price than the others ranked #2, #3 or #4. So why is it #1? Because of sales velocity. That product is pushing more ads and getting more monthly sales. So for bestseller, it's all about being in the right subcategory, dominating with sales velocity with ads, pricing and reviews. Now, Amazon's choice versus overall peak. These two are often confused, but they are different. Now, Amazon's choice badge. When you see Amazon choice badge, it says the product is highly rated, well priced, and available to ship immediately. This badge shows up when a product has high sales velocity, strong in-stock rate, good 180-day average sales performance, 4-star plus rating, ideally 4.3 plus, and minimal returns. Even newer products with around 100 reviews can get this badge if they meet the above criteria. Amazon's choice and overall peak is keyword dependent. This badge is not about category rank. It's all about the search term. For example, when you search apple cider vinegar gummies, you might see a product with the overall peak badge. That means it's Amazon's top choice for that keyword, not necessarily the top selling item in that category. You can also test this thing with other search terms like balloons and see that the top organic results often gets the overall peak badge for that term. So guys, what's the takeaway? Amazon's choice and overall peak badges are keyword specific. They change based on what people are searching for. Your product can be the top pick for different search terms even if it's not the bestseller in its category. Now, how to get Amazon's choice badge or overall peak badge? To qualify for Amazon's choice or overall peak, you need to maintain a 4+ star ratings, aim for 4.3, focus on ranking or specific keywords, maintain high sales velocity for that keyword, have a high click-through rate, minimize returns, optimize for strong 180-day average performance. It's not about how many competitors you have. If your product keeps improving on that one keyword, you have a strong shot at earning that badge. So guys, pick one highly relevant, high volume keyword and focus everything on that. SEO, pricing, ads, and customer experience. The more momentum you build over time, the easier it becomes to earn your Amazon choice badge and stand out in search. At Ecomclips, we specialize in helping Amazon sellers getting those badges, like Amazon choice badge, bestseller badge, and overall peak badge. From keyword targeting and SEO to listing optimization and sales velocity strategies, we handle it all. If you're ready to boost your visibility and conversion rate on Amazon, reach out to us today. Email us at info@ecomclips.com. Let's get your product the badge it deserves.